how to make Spotify play over other apps. So if you want to make Spotify play over other apps, then you just need to simply open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, now you need to go with the profile option, which is on the upper left. Tap on profile and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now under your settings, you may have an option of Spotify connected in background. So if you have that option, you can simply go and toggle on the option. But if you don't have that option on your Spotify application, you can open up your settings on your phone. Under settings, you just need to simply go with the search, which is on the upper right. And here under search, you need to search for display over other apps. And here again, tap on display over other apps and then choose the Spotify application. And once you choose the Spotify application, you just need to simply go and allow the permission. In this way, you'll be able to make Spotify play over other apps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.